Hi, I'm Jen Campagna. I'm a teacher facilitator with Teen Innovators. We're wrapping up our summer camp right now. Unfortunately, today is the last day. We've had a really great time here at the Chicago Connectory. It's been Monday through Thursday. Every day at the camp is at a different theme. So Monday's theme was collaboration. We started with some icebreakers. We got some great tours. And then Tuesday's theme was create. And so we created some robots. Yesterday was Wednesday. That was our strategy day. We did some great activities and got some amazing tours. We did an activity, an ideation technique called Scamper that we did with the kids. They got to pitch their invention, Shark Tank style. And then we got to tour the Whitney architecture firm, which was awesome because they designed the Chicago Connectory, and today has been communication. We've been playing all kinds of games like back-to-back drawing activity, blindfold, walking through an obstacle course. We just went to Wintrust Bank for some financial literacy, and they hosted us for a pizza party, which was awesome. Being hosted in the Chicago Connectory has been amazing. Windy City Lab, that's right here in the Connectory. We got to look at the amazing live map of the trains going on right now. It was so cool. So it's been an awesome experience for me, and I know that these kids have had a really great time.